Hello guys, today we're doing code.org tutorial. So let's start on by opening code.org. code.org. To open up code.org. You'll have this screen on here. Here, just go to sign in, then log in your account. Or if you have not create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, just write in your email and password. Just after that, you will have this screen. This is the main interface for it. You'll have a lot of projects. We will be creating the smiley. The smiley here. This, the smiley. So let's start it by creating a artist project and create. Take this button to create. Now you will have this rename the project and write here smiley and save it. Now first I'll just explain what the blocks are. Move forward block is move forward by 100 and how many pixels? Pixels are the tiny squares on your screen. You cannot see them, but if you look really closely, you will see them. Those are pixels. Well, don't worry if you extend the screen, it will stay the same pixel. I don't know how that works, but it works. Yes, so now first we need there's also the block like turn right, it turns the character right, so just from here and also from there, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees, and do anything. And there's also the left button, but just turns it to the left. Jump forward, jumps it forward. It doesn't write any, show anything, but moves forward. That's why it jump forward. Longer, the jump to the left, it jumps it to where you want. To left, top, center, middle, right, bottom left. It jumps it to there. Now the block which will be using the most in here, the jump to over block. The over is the horizontal axis, like 20 something, and the down is the vertical axis. So remember that the oval comes from the left end and the down comes from the top end. So let's start. First we will be taking the jump to over block. I just deleted that, but we will need that. Now write in 50-50. That's what we need. 50 and 50. Here we have here. So we want to get squares. There's these loops blocks which repeated. We can use this to create a square. There is also one other way to create a square. But the function, these functions are functions which do specific things like draw a shape, draw a star, draw a triangle. I use the draw square block first. Draw square. Now, to use this, there's no value input here. So we need to go to the maps and to use this. So we want it to be of 300 pixels, so like it's 300. Okay, so this is a 300 pixel square. We got it here. It is exactly in the center. Now we want the eyes also here. So take another jump to block, right in 100, 100, and then another 100, 100, and get another draw square block. Just take that draw square block and control CV it. You will have another one of those. We don't change the value to 50 here, and take another jump to another block. Put this to 300, and put this to 250 again. 250, and draw another square. Just copy to CV this again, and here we have the eyes done. Now we want it to go a little bit. Another jump to another block. Use change it to 175, and down to 150. Now just take another function and draw a triangle, and get to the lips, get to the mat, and take another one of those value blocks, and set it 50. You will see it's going up, but that's not now change actually the down to 175, so it puts it down, and then it's going up. You don't want it to, so there's this little edit block over there, this little edit block, and change the here turn left to turn right. Now close this, and here we have a notes folder. Now we'll take another jump to block, and right in here should be 150, and down should be just 250, 250, down should be 250, and this should be 100, and now take this block, the right block by 90 degrees, 90, and move it forward by 50 pixels, and take a turn left block and move this and turn it by 90 degrees, and take the move forward block again, and move it forward by 200 pixels. Let's turn it right now. Turn it left actually. Turn left by 90 degrees again. 90, and move forward by 50. 50. Now just go to actions and jump to another block, and now don't write anything and it disappears. This is your final output. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye guys. See you next time.